Hi you guys, what is up? Welcome back to the channel. So today's going to be a kind of short video. I just got home from work and my package from Sephora had arrived today and I ordered just one. I told myself just to get one. I really wanted to get two, but I just decided to get one to kind of try it out. It's the new Fenty Beauty lip stains and I wanted to do a quick little try on, first impressions for you guys. So before we get into the video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe if you like content like this. I do makeup, trying on tutorials, I do hauls, I do reviews, I do fashion sometimes. So yeah, let's get into it, guys. So I ordered the shade My Type, and I absolutely love this packaging. It's a triangular packaging. So the shade, like, color, I'm guessing that's kind of the color, is on the top of the tube with the FB, the Fenty Beauty logo. And there you can see how it's a triangular packaging. And then it has Fenty Beauty here on the front. So it does come as a doe foot applicator. And then I'm just going to go ahead and swatch this. So there is the swatch of it. It does seem just a tad sheer, which I'm not going to mind that at all. I love the color. It's a kind of I would call it a berry pink, not like a red berry, or not like a purple berry. It's more of a pink berry shade. Okay. It doesn't smell like anything. No, it doesn't have any scent. I'm gonna go ahead and zoom you guys in and we'll apply a little bit of this. Sorry if I look a little bit oily because I have had this makeup on since 6 o'clock this morning. So it feels very thin on the lips. So that's like what the color looks like on the lips. It does have a tad slip to it, kind of like a gloss. So let me back out just a tad. Like, it does feel nice. I'm going to go ahead and wipe it off and we'll see what it looks like as the stain. So I wiped it off and here's what my lips look like stained. I can't say it's like super stained, but it's like lightly. So, I feel like it will wear off really nicely and won't look patchy. That's kind of why I like lip stains. It's because I don't like how liquid lipsticks sometimes wear off and they look really patchy or flaky or anything like that. So I have seen where I saw where this girl, I think she was advertising for Fenty Beauty, applied this as a blush. And I'm contemplating trying that out, even though my face has I've worn this makeup all day, but I'm just like, if I ruin it, I ruin it, I was like, it's the end of the day. So I'm going to put a little bit of this on the back of my hand, and I'm going to take this is the brush I use for like cream products, and I'm just kind of tapping the bristles in this. I'm just going to go for it. This way I can see if it would like lift my foundation or like what it would do, but it didn't lift nothing, and that is pretty. So pretty. Now I'm gonna want more colors. That's the problem here. Yeah, so I'm gonna turn down my lighting just a tad. Okay, so turn down the lighting, like here's what it looks like. It's really pretty. And it did not like lift my foundation at all. Okay, so my thoughts. I love the lip stain. I think it's amazing. I love it as a blush. I really want to get on and order a couple more shades now. I might have to, just because it's so good. It's so good. This is gonna be like a top favorite of mine, I feel like, for the year. So Fenty Beauty, you did it again. I love everything Fenty Beauty has to offer, basically. I love it all. So I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little first impressions review, couple ways to wear the product. Please don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe before you go. And y'all are absolutely stunning. Bye guys, thanks for watching.